this evening, I'm going to try and bake some steelhead trout fillet as per the recipe I found on one of the YouTube channels. That's 180 grams of steelhead trout fillet, and what I'm going to use to bake it with is some unsalted butter and garlic, which I'm going to melt, some Himalayan rock salt and pepper, some freshly squeezed lemon, and chopped parsley. I melted the butter and the garlic, and I'm going to put it on the fillet. Let's put it out with this little brush. It's done. Let's add some of the salt and pepper. Not too much. And then dribble this lemon, freshly squeezed lemon, on it. Chopped parsley. So now it's in the baking dish. Once the oven reaches that preheat temperature of 375 Fahrenheit, I'm going to put the fish into the oven. Here, center, and close the oven, and give it 15 minutes. 15 minutes, okay. 5. So 15 minutes and start. So after the 15 minutes are over, I'm going to open the oven and check out the status of the fillet. While the fish is baking inside the oven, on the stove top, I'm going to boil some broccoli crowns, asparagus tips, and carrots. The oven is telling me that the 15 minutes are over, so I'm going to put it off and see what's going on with the fish. Let's open that up. Foil. Wow, see that? So that's nice. The fish is not dry. It's juicy, and the butter and the lemon have done a great job with the taste, as well as the chopped parsley leaves. So you saw how easy it was to make that steelhead trout fillet, bake it in the oven for 15 minutes with a little prep. And it just goes to show how cheap it is to eat at home. That fillet cost me $6.74 at the store, $6.74 Canadian. So if you factor in the rest of the ingredients and a little electricity, which the oven must have used, it still comes to, well, within $10, I think. So, for around $10, you can have a fairly good meal. I'm sure if I went to a restaurant and ordered the same stuff, it would set me back at least, you know, $15 to $20 plus taxes and the tip. So my advice, cook at home, eat at home, and save some money because these are hard times. So cheers.